Don't, not too tight. थोड़ा बस. ये क्या है?
If you get penalty, then they will scan. Podium finishers.
Last few more seconds, guys.
Here we go! Let's go, Anmol!
All right, first run.
Hey, why aren't you shirtless?
I had to wear muscle blaze. But anyways, first run was 340. Too fast for my liking. And this is really where we need to fix things. We did fix things, but 340 was our first run. It was too fast. We were the first people to reach, followed by Javier and Harsh.
But from what I can see, you seem pretty comfortable.
Yeah, but we went too hard. All the first three people to reach the station were our team.
Yeah,
Harsh,
go
and
team
then
Calfunk.
Anmol and
Arnav.
Arnav. I was fully.
I would
ripping it,
actually
right?
love to see your
अनमोल का
technique.
फर्स्ट स्ट्रोक देख भाई
I like his technique, man. Harsh is like going at it.
you can just see the technique
Yeah,
difference.
I
Anmol.
love Anmol's technique here. So don't you think his arms are also going too far back? You're
Yeah.
giving me this feedback.
Little bit.
Yeah.
We'll be look at him. Look at Javier. He's doing
Yeah.
butterfly stroke.
Yeah.
But he's super ripping it, dude. ये short देख.
Yeah.
सारे बंदे क्या सही लग रहा है ना?
Right.
But dude, this was like Anmol station fully.
For sure, I can see it. He looks so comfortable.
खींच
And,
रहा था.
but he looks very comfortable.
And we were the first one out, and just like 2-3 seconds back was like Harsh and Javier.
Yeah.
We were like neck and neck
Neck and
throughout.
neck.
Dude, these guys were, but like Javier, look, Javier is here, and then Harsh is like right there, like way back there.
Now the stitch has started coming in.
First station, me,
Gas,
I was
alright.
already. See, in the sled also, we were the first ones to come. We got the first lane. But I feel the first lane, the corner lane is always like, the carpet is always messed up, dude.
So are you saying that you're basically at a disadvantage if you come in first?
I feel the first lane, the corner lane.
No, but it was not. It was actually not just the first lane. It was
in
in general.
between also.
The turf was. I don't know what it was. They've put nails on the sled that you can't push.
No, the carpet was making waves.
Yeah.
But dude, this day, the sleds were feeling so much heavier than, like, we were splitting the lengths in three.
Three parts.
Me and Anmol,
What do
and
you feel about his technique here? I
He's
think
good.
even he should go lower, na?
but he's tall, yeah. He's like
Yeah,
6
it'll be
plus.
difficult for him.
I could have gone lower, actually.
yeah. Maybe then it would have been easier.
Look how low Anmol is.
Yeah.
He's like
Anmol's body is almost at a 90
other
degree
Anmol,
angle. His body is almost at a 90 degree angle.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, gas again.
Oh, fatri hai. Fatri hai, but I was like, yeah, I can still hang on. Look
Yeah.
at this guy, huh?
Yeah.
He's with the Soul Pro,
Sopo Prolo.
pro solo guy. He just pushes me aside. Get out the way, bro. I'm already dead
now,
here. I'm walking.
I didn't know you were in this condition.
I was walking in this
Yeah.
third station. I was already like, oh my god,
I remember really shouting for you
on
here.
the pole.
Yeah.
And Anmol was literally waiting for me 5 seconds here, and I was like lost. I went to the other. See?
At this point I was shouting for you. I was like, come on, Tots,
This
trust
is
your
where the
training.
Korean team got
Trust
us.
your training and
Yeah.
you got this. Trust your training.
But even here, Javier and Harsh, we were still neck and neck.
Let's see.
But in this station, I feel like Anmol really saved us. Like
Yeah.
he got the second half of the sled, and he
Yeah.
really ripped it. Look at this.
But I'll also
Look at
tell
this.
you this, yeah, the second half of the sled, is definitely easier than the
It
first half
is
of the
easier,
set.
but what I'm saying is that
But yeah, he
he ripped it.
yeah.
Like he really saved us a lot of time.
Hmm.
And see, like Arnav and Anmol are also right there with us.
Yeah.
Look at the Korean team; they're just like half length ahead of us. Till here.
Okay. Nice.
I love it, yeah. Like us, Harsh and Javier, and Anmol and Anwar are like together here in this station. I mean, like after this is when we start separating. But
Wow, he really goes into the squat to pull, huh?
he used his entire height.
Yeah,
man. और
amazing.
क्या भाई? Height है तो भाई use करो.
Hmm. Yeah, even you went pretty low.
No,
It's
that-
not like you weren't
no. Technique
going all
wise,
the
though,
way. Technique wise is beautiful.
I really am sound with the.
Yeah.
I'm really comfortable with the pull. I was just dying. That stitch was hurting so bad. Yeah.
Yeah. I could see when I was there in the audience. And at that point, I was honestly, it felt like you were about to quit or
Stop.
something. Yeah.
I was dying.
Yeah.
I was dying. We went too
But then
hard.
now, when I go back and I see these videos and I see the Korean guys also, they are, I think, in an
No, they.
equally bad shape as you guys.
I feel they got sort of fell into our
Nice.
first lap cut trap.
I think all of you collectively fell into each other's first lap trap.
Me and Anmol were like first lap में ना इन सबको 100 मीटर पीछे छोड़ेंगे. And he was Anmol also ना. He's like हाँ full ready. अभी करते हैं.
For
अभी
sure,
फोड़ते हैं
Tom.
इसे.
Yeah, but there was a learning curve for you. For the next one, you don't have to start out 100%.
Yeah.
I think after this point, the Korean team started going ahead of
Actually,
you, right?
on the burpees, we kicked into another gear and we started picking it up also on the burpees.
I remember watching these
Like-
two. I don't know where they were from, but oh my god, you should have seen their burpees. All of us were
Look at this.
shook.
Look at this.
Ha.
Look at
The guy
Javier's
was
speed.
like that.
Look
yeah.
at Javier's speed.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Dude, he was like some 3 burpees behind us. Now look at him.
Yeah.
And Anmol also starts picking up without even knowing Javier is picking it up.
Yeah.
And something happens here. Like I'll show you. Like Javier trips. Watch this.
Oof.
You see that? And so,
That's where you take.
fair.
Huh.
He tripped and he walks back on his own.
Yeah.
Like being a total.
The guy's not even watching him.
He walks back on his own.
Yeah.
That's like
That's
Cal Funk, bro. We
that's
follow the
great.
rules.
No, that's great sportsmanship, man. He's actually
No
here to
cheating.
win it fair.
No cheating.
Fair
bro.
and square.
Fair and square, bro.
100%. Like he trusts his training. He's done the hard work. He's just not here for the views. He's here to train and win. And I feel, yeah, man, it was such a close
Look at this last jump. Huh?
competition, right neck to neck.
I'm like, bro, nice
you
one.
saved me, bro.
He just did like 6 feet jump. And he still went. I'm
Huh.
like, he really picked it up here on the burpees. For sure.
Okay. So when do you come in now?
Now, dude, just look at Javier's speed.
I am looking at Javier.
And then somehow even I pick it up and I even look back. And you're right there.
Where? Oh
Yeah,
my
you're
god.
there. You
Oh,
were short.
anyway. Do we care? No. Now he's also obviously, I mean,
Dude, end of
200
burpees.
meters, man. Of course, everyone's gonna be toast.
I finished this.
Yeah,
at
I
the-
don't remember honestly High Rocks being this challenging back when we were doing it in Mumbai.
No, Delhi was more challenging.
How?
The carpets were better in Mumbai. I mean, the carpets obviously have
Oh
been
no, I'm
upgraded.
not talking about the carpets and stuff. I'm talking about like things like burpees. They felt
It was
like
the
at that
carpets.
point also.
On station 2 and 3, if the if the
Carpets,
sleds are killing you,
Yeah,
you're gonna feel
4.
it throughout.
Hey, Rishabh, Kalki.
This is where
Okay, this is
recharge
to
a
your
bit.
station, man. Yours and Anmol's only.
Oh, babe, go. Now is the push.
But this is where I get irritated because someone really yanked the strap.
Just start pulling.
Hey, it happened to me in this one.
Calm. Come on. Stay calm. Yeah, that's it, babe.
You know, uh, this guy, the third guy, he was like so big, and we thought oh my, then he's gonna get tired. These guys are gonna take over. He's massive, huh? And
That guy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like, no, like he's not stopping. The engine is endless.
Yeah, it's all about engine work only. Don't.
But
The
he's
one lesson learned
massive.
is don't go by the look and shape
Yeah.
of someone.
Correct.
They can kick your ass regardless of how they look.
Yeah. Okay, now is the gel time, huh?
Still
Everyone's
neck and
having
neck, huh?
gel.
Row is like.
The gel time. Yeah.
We did. What did we do here? We did 300 and then Anmol did 500 and then
Okay.
I did the last 200.
200.
Yeah.
But don't you think 500 is taxing?
What?
500 like at a stretch is taxing. I think it's
Yeah,
taxing
but we
yeah,
need
for
to.
500.
We needed to save time. That was like the best
Strategy at that point.
strategy. I mean, we'll try something else next time, but
Yeah,
right
but
now-
because I feel 500 after burpees now is actually very taxing for your legs, especially when you have lunges and wall balls left.
अनमोल 6 फुट का है भाई, वो फोड़ दे सारी machines तो.
I think that is fine, but you should divide it even further. 500 on anyone's legs is you're gonna feel it, and the lungs. Oh, I like his face here.
He's
Yeah.
now he's switched on.
Yeah, some
Beast mode.
I
That's
love
the
his
thing,
face, yeah.
man. With you know who that is? That's
I know.
Rylan.
I know. It's very unfortunate.
Yeah, damn
What's
sad.
happened?
But yeah, this is Anmol's like
Yeah, even
switch.
is that your beast mode? Beast mode face.
I'm just hanging on, dude. That's my hanging on face. But Anmol has a second gear for sure. Like even in the simulations, like
Yeah.
when things started getting hard, he would just go
Uh-huh.
into a different zone and be like, "Bhai, up to
Yeah. Now is
4-9."
the time to go.
Dude, he did this. He did actually a little bit more on the farmer carry for sure.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is I feel
Do you
now.
feel he's here? He's getting tired here,
now
or what is it?
he felt it. Like
Yeah,
he started
okay.
feeling it here, and then like on the lunges he got a nice break,
Huh.
and that break was enough for him to sort of
Revive.
revive. I did like some 20 or
20,
something
25.
in one shot.
Okay.
So he got a good break.
How did the 30 feel? Easy.
Dude, at that point you're just like 30 doesn't really.
More than the legs, it would be the
I feel I could have
lungs.
done the lunges much faster. Going a bit.
I mean,
I mean, our legs
there's
were
always
torched.
room for improvement,
Yeah.
but at that point you did what was best. Because
Whatever
you
we
have
could.
like wall balls after this, so
Yeah.
if you get torched in the lunges, your wall balls are gonna suffer. So whatever time you save here is actually no time saved. Nice one, yeah.
Yeah, he
You
also
guys are
did a
looking-
really he also
yeah.
really did a big set.
Hmm.
And this is where we got a solid lead from Javier and Harsh,
Yeah,
and we were trying to catch
Good
up with
transition, man.
the Korean.
very
Thanks.
good and quick transition.
I love this transition.
Yeah.
Oh, this is Ankita and Gauri right beside us.
Oh, hey Cal Funk. Hey, Tom hai. Guruji. Nice, good big step.
I was trying to catch up to these guys. They were like 4 or 5 lunges ahead of
Yeah,
us.
okay.
Like that was third place overall.
Okay.
We didn't know that.
Huh.
We thought we're not gonna get podium. Like in the race,
Yeah.
we thought we're not gonna get podium. We were like, dude, we gotta. Oh, you got penalty.
It's not a, that's
Uh,
not a penalty.
penalty
A
in the se-
penalty is a very strong
It is a
word.
penalty. Penalty is like take
No,
2 steps
when I
back.
say penalty, I think of it as a time.
No, but on the spot penalty. That's a
Or
penalty.
when you say on the spot penalty or something
Penalty is
like
penalty, dude.
no. The word penalty is a very strong word.
This is our last lap. Like, gotta pick it up, bro. Second place. Literally, second place was ahead of us. That's what I thought. In our minds, we were like,
Yeah.
that's second place. We have to catch them.
Mm-hmm. Little did we know.
They were not in our age group.
Yeah.
By
Nice. Wall balls.
hardcore. These guys right
these-
here. These guys were.
Wall balls for me, it's my favorite station, dude. I think nothing compares to wall balls in High Rocks. One of my most actually my most favorite station.
If you're doing women's weight,
Why would I do men's weight if I'm competing in
pro weight. I mean, what I mean, open weight.
Manju
Open-
ma'am.
Manju ma'am's also.
No,
there.
but I like pro women weights also.
Dude, we were dead. Like this was Anmol's station, just like a lot of other
Yeah.
stations. But dude, he was feeling it. भाई अनमोल 100 कर सकता है वैसे, पर इस यहाँ पे
Yeah.
हमारी हालत खराब हो
You
रही
have to also understand it's the 8th station. You've run so much, you've
थी.
done
अबे
so much
सिमुलेशंस
legs.
में ये 4 था 20 निकालता था.
So you were doing, what was the split here?
I think we did 15s and then we just came down to 10s.
10s, okay.
And this is where Javier and Harsh caught us. Like this is
Huh.
Harsh's
Harsh's
game.
station, yeah.
Harsh's
This is
game.
Harsh's game for sure.
So this is where he caught up to us.
But this is so beautiful to see all these strong guys
Yeah, we were
just
like
going neck
and
to neck,
Like
man.
the first 5
I love it.
or the first 4 places
Yeah.
were like 3 minutes apart.
Mm.
Less than 3 minutes apart.
This is amazing. Nice.
Dude, we were just खत्म हो जाओ, खत्म हो जाए बस.
Yeah, I know, man. Those 100 seem a lot. And खत्म हो गया.
Actually अनमोल ने खत्म किया था, वो
हाँ.
वीडियो में आया नहीं.
Right. I mean, I feel all in all, apart from maybe the first run killing you guys
हाँ.
and the turf, I think it was just these two things that you could have.
Yeah.
First thing you can control, but the second thing you can't. I feel everything else seemed pretty smooth. Some technique here and there.
Our technique was spot
And
on.
just that is my feedback to you. It's not like you can't tell me what my feedback
What
to you
technique
is.
do you feel was off?
The ski, your arms don't need to go that further
That is
back.
true.
You can go
That
lower on the sled. Yeah,
Check
so
this out.
all
Huh?
of
This
these
is 112
things.
when we reach
Yeah.
the screen. 112. And then we stand here and we're like 111.
How?
Oh.
जीत गए हम? How?
And then Harsh also, we met Harsh downstairs.
हाँ.
And we're like,
ये कैसे हो गया guy? ये कैसे हो गया हर्ष?
and then actually Javier had entered into the gate.
Oh, so he got.
And then on the first lap only, and then I shouted Javier, and then he went out, and that's where they got the penalty.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
That's very unfortunate.
Yeah. But anyways, Javier and Harsh were competing in a separate age group.
Huh. Oh, Anmol and his fans.
Dude, even I had a lot of fans, okay?
Never mind. I don't want to say anything.
This is so crazy.
Yeah,
Like
like-
we couldn't believe we were first. And
Yeah.
Mohit is like, ye dekho phone. pe."
Mohit is the giver of good news.
So crazy, na?
Yeah, Mohit is
How
the giver
how
of good news.
Mohit in this event told you and in your event told you
Yeah.
that you're first, and how everything was like, even in your race,
We were.
how did we come first?
Yeah, it's not possible.
You know, like We couldn't believe it.
Yeah.
Those are Anmol's parents.
I know nothing. What does this mean though? Shut the fuck up. Huh?
That means,
We're number one, shut the fuck up.
yeah, don't talk to us. We're the
Wow,
champs.
cocky enough, huh?
Dude,
Like,
I'm the double champ. And so is Anmol. Anmol also double champ.
yeah.
So, shut up. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the Delhi one for sure. Vidushi.
No, Delhi, Mumbai.
Oh, my mistake. Stay tuned for the Mumbai 2 that happened on 7th September.
Yeah.
And we're gonna try and come out with a study of if we can get Manjula's videos, like the whole. If we have the whole race, we'll do one like this for Manjula for sure because she's definitely one of a kind.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you so much.
Follow,
Like.
subscribe.